I'm here on another project. We're gonna be building a 8x8 8x8 washroom. So this is the current status of the customer's washroom right now. It's an open air washroom. So the new design is gonna be on the corner of this house. We're gonna use that existing roof as the roof. We're gonna come out 8 feet by 8 feet by 8 feet square. That door's gonna be used to access the utility room, and I'm gonna have a window here and a door here. So all you see is dirt and nothing, and that's what they have now. We're gonna get started. We got all the materials in one shot. Got the 2x4s, got the door, got a window, got insulation. We're gonna insulate the walls. We're gonna sheetrock it. We're gonna put hardy siding on it. We're gonna tape and float the sheetrock. We're gonna put a post in the ground. It's gonna be like pier and beam build. There's the window here. Everything. We're about halfway point on the laundry room build. This is it right here. Got the cement board siding on there. That's where the old washer and dryer was sitting on, that platform. We got that demoed out. We're gonna transfer the electric and the plumbing inside that addition. Put a 36-inch exterior door here, so there's plenty of room for when it's time to bring in the washers and dryers. OSB flooring, 3/4 inch. Got the 2x4 walls, 16 on center with the 7/16 OSB siding. And on top of that, we put the cement board siding. So we got some of that electric done here. That's for the washing machine. It's for the dryer plug. I've got another receptacle here. It's gonna be above the folding countertop. It's gonna be a countertop there for folding clothes and stuff. We added a light. We added a light here. This roof is existing as a carport roof. Looks like they got a leak up there, so I'm gonna get up there and find the leak and patch it up as well. Got a small sliding window. I'm going to start insulating the walls and then sheetrock. So I'll post another video once everything's done. We're gonna put some vinyl flooring in here as well. And this makes easy access in and out the house instead of the customer having to come out this door and walk outside to do their laundry. They're gonna just walk right in here, convenient, and it'll be insulated, so it'll be good. It's an 8x8, plenty of storage here. We're doing the texturing right now on this utility room. Almost finished. Tape and floated, all the sheetrock. Got all the plumbing done, the electrical done. Got insulation in the walls. Just texturing. Tomorrow we'll prime and paint baseboards and put the flooring in. Finally all finished with this washroom addition on this house. Now it was built under the existing roof here, like a carport roof. So I matched the siding, put hardy board siding on there. It does have a small window and a 36-inch exterior door. Put 2 steps there for the customer. We painted to match the house. It's an 8x8 utility room. Also closed off the crawl space. Now that's where the old setup was for the washer and dryer. We demolitioned that platform there and moved everything over. So there's the plumbing and the electrical. We ran it on the outside of this house and then just tapped into this new addition here. Got the dryer vent sticking out there. We also got a GFCI plug receptacle on the outside, just in case they're in the backyard and they want to plug up an extension cord or something. They have power out here. Let's take a look in the inside. So we hung some wall cabinets, 2 30-inch wall cabinets. Got the washer and dryer, got the connections. Put this shelf here, put a floating shelf and a little small area that you can hang clothes. Did a butcher block, those are all butcher block. Did for the dirty clothes, clean clothes, whatever. And then a folding table. So it got textured, painted, sheetrocked, everything in here, finished. Did some trim work, put a window jamb, baseboards. We put vinyl flooring in here, waterproof, electrical, everything. So the customer just comes out the door. Usually it would have just came outside. They come out the door, straight into their laundry room, could wash clothes. Also put a light here. Door closes nice and tight. The gaps are the same. The reveal's the same. So that's it. This concludes the utility room build. You one more walk around the outside, and we got these nice steps here. Put the the engineered deck boards so it doesn't rot out. That's it, 8x8. They still got enough space to park a car on the side with this small structure add-on. Subscribe for more videos like this.